What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming out here from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool classic by Paul Anka, Put Your Head on My Shoulder. Very cool song. And we're in standard tuning, so let's go. Pretty easy. The verses are easy, the chorus. The bridge, we got bar chords, so not the best for beginners, but certainly the verses and the chorus, like the basic chords, we can learn. Okay, so the song is in G major. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. G major. E minor. 1, 2, 3. A minor. 2, 3. And we got a D7. Flat 9, which is kind of the sound of the song, but as a beginner you can play D7. So that's let's see, 2 E string, 1 B, and 2 G. So that's just like this chord, but then we add a flat 9 for the more advanced players. So that's 5, 4, 5 starting on the A string, and then 4 B string. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I like to do a little picking and then strum. You can just go down, 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 I do that. That's 6, 4, 3, 2, strum, and then I'll pick A minor from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then strum. That sounds good. Okay, so the song starts like this before we start singing. G, my shoulder. So C, G, and break. And start singing. We're going to start on E minor. 2, 3, 4. E minor, D, my G, E minor, A minor, D, G, E minor. First turnaround is G, E minor, G. Second verse, E minor, A minor, D, G major, E minor, A minor, D, G major, E minor, D. That's a little bit different. G, take us to the bridge, D7. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hits 2 times, and then G major 4 times again. Okay, so that's still pretty good for beginners. Now here comes bad boy, F sharp 7. So that you get a bar, 2nd fret, and it's 4 on A string and 3 on G string. And then we got B minor, bar 2 from A string, 4 D, 4 G, 3 B, A7, and with D7. Okay, I'm gonna review that at the end again. But that's 4 hits on each, and then back to verse. Then it's raising the key half a step. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna be weird, but this is the basic chords of the song. Alright, so let's review everything. The song starts with G, A minor, D, and G, C, G, instrumental. And then he starts singing. And every verse, when he starts singing, starts with 2 E minors, A minor, D, and then G, E minor, A, D, G, A, E minor, A, D, and then G, E minor, G. That's the first time. And then the same thing, only difference with the second time is G, C, G instead of G, E minor, G. And then we've got the bridge, D, 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 D7, D, 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 G, 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 2 times. And then F sharp, just once, B minor, A7, back to E minor. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I feel much better. I'm back in business. So, a couple of videos a week. See you soon. Alrighty.